These are the lights for Artfelt. As you can see, they have been cut out carefully, and I've cut out the square holes. I'm just using the crease maker, a beautiful tool, to make sure that those folds are really creased, and then I'm going to glue one side. There's a reason for that, and you can see also the clothes pegs there on the side. Reason for those too, of course. I've been doing my washing. No, I'm just going to do this off camera. There we go, that's a bit better. You can see that I'm lining up the holes. The holes of course are going to go onto the board themselves, and I'm going to use the clothes pegs which fit just about inside. If you're unable to use clothes pegs, have a look at how we make the containers, because it's a very similar process. But I'm clothes pegging these. The Pritt stick takes about 10 minutes to dry, tops. And the lights obviously are going to go through the back of the wall to the front of the wall on the model itself, and then through these holes, and they sit just proud of these holes. With a little bit of manipulation you can actually have them sitting comfortably. You can back the back of the boards, attach those pegs, 10 minutes tops, and they're ready to install.